Okay, this is Antonio, our very important of the clients from India and his project in Dubai. So we want to you say something about your feeling about us and your project. Okay, so can...
Sure, I'm Anthony Thomas. I'm the founder of LuxGlamp. So I'm happy to come back again and meet Ella after 2 years to the factory of RAXDOME. So when I thought of planning a project, LuxGlamp, when I thought of planning this project, LuxGlamp the only 3 things which came to my mind was strength of the product and the professionalism and also how eco-friendly and sustainably the product is manufactured. And by the end of the project, they could deliver all these 3 of my concerns. And after the project construction, the support was really good. So each phase, while fixing the technical details everywhere, the support was really incredible.
Thank you.
And as a company, LuxGlamp offering premium projects across the world, this was very important to find a very professional company so we can give the same experience to our guests. So we are looking forward for many projects with you in the future.
Thank you from our factory, RAXDOME and RAXTENT.
Yeah.
We are very happy to see you again in our factory actually. So I remember very clearly when we first time of the meeting.
Yes.
So actually 2 years ago, so Anthony is nothing changed. So our friendship will forever. We are very looking forward to your next project and next in the future.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.